Here in my people, and they put him on the too. Them they put all of the music concern. Listen now, I got international dancehall queen tonight. Anybody want to participate? Any girl want to come dancehall queen tonight? It's gonna be in Pier 1 up here. Yeah. My name Top By. Yeah, from sponsored by Top By. So tonight, ladies, I will be Manchester Bay. Okay? It's in the hard work. So if you don't want to know, so you can't be dancehall queen. And I know why the great dog gonna come tune in. Yeah, the part I tune, all of my songs. Where boss man there? Where man there again? Ah, hello. Hello, darling. Where boss man there? Where one man there? The man where the camera is at. He was right there. What do you know him down? And I hear me tell us, find some, I get one black pole, you know, follow them cook one. I'm going to line my head front with them. I can't get no eardress, I can't get no thing on you. Sir, everyone know me there, Jamaica, might be so good on my arm, but I grass flat. Yeah, no fine slow down. Look still at luck. Yeah, remember them playing there. I said, Queenie, I'm taking video all star. Tell me not in your style. You know, especially myself over your side. Remember me, I can't come here and never come. I'm brown in here, alright. Not the number. I can't do it on the side. Two minutes to the promotion and the business. You know what? Yeah. I just need just say that. Probably not what it is. You understand? Yeah. You're going to be this show. Like, it's nice. Yeah, man. The girl that makes a girl from all over the world and all that sweet. Oh my God. Worldwide. Yes, international dancehall queen. I'm going to be a Pier 1 tonight. You know, so I'm on to Jamaica and Jamaica independence and emancipation. They have every little thing. Only for things that precious down there. So if you don't want to crucify me, I come back a blood clot. Like, I don't visit. My band down here. Them can't give me no time limit down here. How long I have to stay. My band blood clot. All of them can't stand me. I have to stay on it. I'm a little place, man. Jamaica, I'm a little place, man. Clean and nice. I'm going to tell you the next thing I'm love for the Jamaica there. Them foot clean. You send them across the road a morning time, a daytime, and whatever, with the dirty foot slipper, we wear socks. And when a lotion and we foot dirty, and not in Jamaica there. Watch them in the back and gate. And I said, oh my God. Someone will fall the car and I put dirty in a bump of blood. Yeah, I think I'm in Jamaica there. Clean. Right now, my dad a car washer. And I tell you, I just admire how the Jamaican them clean. Yeah, man, don't dirty up Jamaica. Maintain it, it's really good. Every little creases and corners, spotless. You see that? Yeah. When I'm ready for class, Jamaica, yeah. Because everything has the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I give it the good, and I give it the bad. And when I'm ready for class, them dirty blood class, I class them and tell them about themselves. Like Jamaican people like I love. Them I get there in a car, them did worse than that. They're better than 20 years ago. When I was there, the love affection and the love attention, not by intimacy, you know, socially, like amongst brethren, a sistering, The environment is not just about tearing on each other and kill people. The wickedest thing where they want to kill a fire, no, me not like that. And by studying it, if I could have changed one thing in Jamaica, if I had the chance to change that, but I just thought I'll hug everybody and say, darling, it's gonna be alright. But that's not gonna help. But yeah, them terrible man. Brown, what place name?
Custom cars.
Custom cars.
Yes, and custom connect shipping and all of this.
Yeah, me don't go do one little summary, but you me never see the highlights of the business name. Online shipping. Yeah, I did put that on it, but me not see the custom cars. So what the logo there? Oh, that's all. Alright, see there. Say nothing, madam. Yes, as I was saying now. So if I as a queen, as a woman and as a strong influence on the world, bumper cloth, my arms start it. My arms start look attention, yeah. Yeah. Like when I really sit back and take in the Jamaican them, a little bit of them loving. They're very, very, very them get hard love, tough love. Them very defensive. And some man, you have some man at Jamaica, them hate woman, real hate, awful hate. And I think that's just my opinion. I can be wrong, but I think it have a lot to do. It have a lot to do with love, love. Just by somebody saying, yeah, I'm going to say, well, I'm darling, know what the deal we eat last night. You understand? It make a difference. But everybody just push me, go kill you. Everybody boy, if you dead, go suck your mother. And the aggression, if you can. I'm not tell you someone. This is what a woman say. I don't want nobody going on me and my husband business, but me stop a road. Now, if me come on Instagram and say my pussy tongue drop out, and my husband never put it in back, that don't mean to sound of help all it out. Me is a woman and I say a man and a woman on the blood clot sidewalk is different. It's different than from one and I write comment and I say horrible things about me and my husband. Me a pass 5:30 in the morning and saw a man call up one blood clot little girl and me go to come big bad and blood clot boy. Come to help him, me to help her beat out him blood clot. So you don't know so me go there, me not have nothing and me I say God. I love Queenie, I saw me steer. True authentic, me warrior naturally. Me not go there and worry the man, but if the ex come to the chest and me should say I don't know, me and you not fuck, me say okay. That even give me more ammunition not to leave. Because if them did not fuck, me still have to approach with caution. But I still understand up all if them have just done blood clot fucking on my eye, I see my beat up on the road, but that's still into blood clot in. So there's a fucking difference with me. That's why I say girl power. So none of blood clot can't change my meds. Remember, I'm up on live one time. I saw a man on the back of the bike up on Malines Road. He might ride the bike now, the woman on the back, and the man on. Woof! Woof! And I thumped the woman from behind, and the woman hang on upon him, so I take the thump and blood clot. Every year stand up in my head, they have to kill me, don't see blood clot. I saw me steer. But defend woman, all of them have nothing to do with me. Me not take woman blood clot, but abuse. It's truth. And I say, I grab the water back out of the door. So I say, man, left the woman be there. Move your dirty blood clot. And I say, hey, woman, come off of the man bike back. She says she's afraid. Me? Oh, God, I'm sorry for them woman that way in abuse and afraid to talk. It's truth. A lot of females are threatened by their loved one that's doogu in them, that's sexing them, and caressing them. They don't talk of the torture that they're going through because they fear of getting tortured. So because them, I don't lie, man, because I'm afraid to them, the man are going to beat them more, and maybe the man not pay the blood clot bills. I'm not going to give them the supermarket. I prefer dead for blood clot on grass long out and nickel right and stuff. Ah! Truth. Let me show another play. Yeah, true. When we said to the woman, say, we said, come on, find bike. I don't know me that fucking hard. I'm from get blood clot, but you know, I'm not trouble people business, you know. But alright, so now I'm telling you our next incident again. Right when I live on Green Lane at Tottenham. Me and Diana drive one day. I saw a white man call up a little Indian looking picnic. I said, Diane, that man didn't look like police. Police not old people like that. And they are not paying me no money. Mr. Diane let me out and Diane stop and run go down the blood clot road. Me Queenie, I'm bad. So I'm to blood clot. So I think I can't bad me up. You know, I can't bad me up. Come down to my people. And when I run go down the road, you see, right at the Barclay Bank, the man call up the little girl and I say, what you doing here, the man? No, fuck up. I say, fuck you too, that man, Captain. Do the wrong thing for tell me blood clot, fuck off. So I'm still all up on the little girl and I have my long red trench coat. So I'm all up on the little girl and me and him up in him and say, that's the man, leg off for the woman, see them. So I said, true, me, I said that, I get distracted and the little girl just bend down. Oh. Oh. We don't know what I tell the little girl upon her phone. Here I know. Mommy, can you take care of the baby? Me don't know if I trick me, you know. But me I tell her this all at the same time. Mommy, can you get my baby? Mommy this, mommy that. And Bumbo clap, me done. Ah, you're gonna love it. Yeah. And she escaped. Little girl running. I now sit down and have that. I don't visit no blood clot body. Again, I would be now. I saw a man and a woman, a mixed race woman, almost white woman, and a mother and a man. The whole family and the baby. I just need that. Just me. So things like that, more fasting and help. Me feel that help that. But other than that, I'm not fasting that people blood clot. This is a whole nother chapter. I'm going to run out and I say to the man, because the man want to be the girl, the mother, and the baby, you know. And I say, hey man, you can't do that. And the lady girl, this lady said, oh, lady gangster. You never know, they know me. I just start chatting the man, chat her mother. I just help them chat the blood clot, man. Move on the dirty. She's a cocky man, and move on the dirty blood clot. Anyway, bye now. Thanks for tuning in. Later, man, do what is my stuff, yeah? Me keep it a posting. Do it! Why this man? What a stupid us. Do it, guys! You know, do it, love, Ram. Do it, stop! Do you remember see the gun? No joke. Do you remember see it? We got spread family. Bumbo class.